Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing a collab with Tina's Reborns. Tina and I do several collabs together throughout the years, and always at Christmas and always at Halloween, but we do several. We have more coming up for the Christmas season, but today we're doing Santa Baby Christmas hat. Tina sent me I should have had this open. Tina sent me a pattern. Well, shoot, sorry about that. I should have had it open. And it's a pretty easy pattern to follow. You download it. Here are the pieces cut out. You cut this out on the fold. You can use fake fur, or I used velour. I think it's velour. It's a double stretch knit, but it's also like velvet. And then for this I used fleece because I didn't want fur over it. Thank you, Tina, for the pattern. This was really fun. And when I bought North this Smart Doll, I knew how she was going to dress, just in a trench coat. She just reminds me of Dick Tracy. Someone said Maxwell Smart, which, you know, one show led to another. There was Dick Tracy, then Maxwell Smart, and then Inspector Gadget. And they're all along the same lines. I love this doll, and I got the pink to go with her pink trench coat. And then I wanted to mention too that I put a big bell on the end of the hat rather than the ball. I wanted something a little bit different. As you can see, Moon is here with her cheese that she's going to take out to her friends. I made this little dress. Actually, I'm working on a pattern for something else, and I needed to know how the bodice and everything fit. So I made it into a little shift. We used to call those shifts. And I thought it was kind of cute, and since it matched the hat and she had her cheese, Darren made this wheel of cheese. I absolutely love this. I had asked him for a piece of cheese for the Moon is made of cheese to hold, and he made that plus this wheel. Isn't that cute? I just love this doll and her cheese. I call her Moon. And then while I was at it, let's see, how does she look? Because I didn't get her all lined out. I also made my Blythe a little hat, since she had on the pink. And her little bell has glitter on it. These are bells that I used to make all kinds of animal equipment and sell it online. Sled dog harnesses, goat harnesses, llama packs, llama tassels, all kinds of stuff. And I used to weave these in to harnesses. It was really cute too, because your dogs or your goats would jingle as they were in parades or whatever. It was a lot of fun, and so we got those out and used them. Darren got this for me out of a claw machine, and I thought he would be cute to stand with the girls this morning. And Merry Christmas to you all. Thank you so much, Tina, not only for the collab, but also for the pattern. Can't wait to see yours, and I hope everyone will join me in going over to your channel and seeing your Wilhelmina in her new hat. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.